In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe emails from Quora digest emails. If Quora is sending you too many digest emails and you want to reduce the clutter in your inbox, the good news is that this can be done quickly from your account settings. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can manage those email notifications with confidence. To begin, make sure you're signed in to your Quora account on the Quora website. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens the account menu, where Quora keeps several options related to your profile and preferences. If you don't immediately see the menu expand, just click once carefully and give it a second to load. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings. This is where Quora stores the controls for your account, privacy, and communication preferences. If you've never visited this area before, don't worry. The layout is straightforward and you only need to make a couple of selections to get to the right place. After the settings page opens, look for the option labeled Email and Notifications and click on it. This section is where Quora lets you manage the messages it sends you, including updates, alerts, and digest emails. Once you're there, you'll be in the correct area to review and change your email preferences. If your goal is to stop receiving Quora digest emails, this is the section you'll want to use whenever you need to update those notification settings. Take a moment to read through the available email options carefully, since Quora may separate digest emails from other types of notifications. That way, you can turn off the messages you don't want while still keeping the updates that are useful to you. A helpful tip here is to double check your changes before leaving the page. On some platforms, settings update automatically, while on others, you may need to confirm or save your preference. It's also a good idea to refresh the page afterward or return later to make sure your email preferences stayed updated correctly. And that's it. By opening your profile menu, going into settings, and then selecting email and notifications, you can access the controls needed to stop Quora digest emails and keep your inbox a little cleaner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.